Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 106. We thank you for your communication and instruction regarding the lightning conductors for the new conservative club in Conway Road. The slight misconception has now been removed and your recommendations shall be carefully considered. We are having the cornerstones inscribed this week, and we have no doubt that you will find the inscription will satisfy you. We suggest for your consideration that it would be instructive and useful to have a translation of the Latin inscription printed and circulated before the opening ceremony. You will not consider us selfish if we arrange for a photograph of the ceremony showing our name as contractors for the work. Full stop.